When it comes to heavy machinery, the fuel injection pump is one of the most critical components for engine performance. Engines like K19, KTA19, QSK19, NT855, and M11 rely on precise fuel delivery to operate efficiently. Without a properly functioning pump, engines can lose power, consume more fuel, and even suffer serious mechanical damage. This fuel injection pump is engineered to meet OEM specifications, ensuring that it performs like the original part. Built with high-quality materials and precision engineering, it is designed to handle the demanding conditions typical of excavators, industrial equipment, and heavy-duty trucks. From high pressures and extreme temperatures to continuous operation and heavy vibrations, this pump is built for durability and reliability. One of the biggest advantages of this pump is its versatility. Compatible with a wide range of engines, including K19, KTA19, QSK19, NT855, and M11, it's perfect for operators who maintain multiple types of equipment. Instead of managing different replacement parts for each engine model, a single pump can cover several machines, saving time and reducing maintenance complexity. Installing a fuel injection pump correctly is crucial for optimal performance. This pump is designed to fit precisely with existing mounting points and fuel lines, which simplifies the replacement process. While professional installation is recommended for maximum accuracy, skilled technicians can install it relatively quickly. Correct installation ensures that the engine receives the exact amount of fuel at the precise timing, which directly improves performance and efficiency. Durability is another key factor. This pump is built to last, using high-quality materials and manufacturing processes that prevent premature wear. It can endure the harsh conditions of construction sites and industrial environments without compromising performance. Long-term reliability reduces downtime and maintenance costs, making it a smart investment for any machine operator. Fuel efficiency is greatly enhanced with a properly functioning fuel injection pump. Precise fuel delivery ensures optimal combustion, which reduces fuel waste and lowers emissions. For businesses operating multiple machines or engines, this can result in significant cost savings over time. A high-quality pump helps engines run smoother, respond faster, and maintain steady performance under heavy loads. Maintenance is simplified with this pump. Because it is manufactured to meet strict OEM standards, it does not require frequent adjustments or replacements. Regular inspections, such as monitoring fuel lines and filters, are sufficient to maintain long-term reliability. Operators can focus on productivity rather than dealing with constant engine issues. The real-world benefits of this pump are impressive. Engines equipped with this unit perform consistently, even under demanding conditions. Whether the machine is lifting heavy materials, performing excavation tasks, or operating continuously in industrial applications, the engine remains responsive and stable. Reduced mechanical stress also helps extend the life of other engine components, creating a smoother, more reliable operation. Reliability is critical for operators and fleet managers. Unexpected engine failures can halt projects, increase labor costs, and lead to expensive repairs. By using a high-quality fuel injection pump compatible with K19, KTA19, QSK19, NT855, and M11 engines, operators can minimize downtime and maintain productivity. This pump is more than just a replacement part, it is a strategic investment. It ensures precise fuel delivery, reduces wear on the engine, improves fuel efficiency, and maintains smooth performance under extreme working conditions. Preventive replacement of worn or failing pumps can prevent more serious engine problems, saving time, money, and resources in the long run. Another key feature of this pump is its ability to handle extreme operating conditions without losing performance. High-pressure fuel delivery, heat, vibration, and continuous operation can all affect engine performance, but this pump is built to endure these challenges. Its durability ensures consistent engine power, optimal fuel efficiency, and fewer interruptions during operation. For operators managing multiple machines or industrial equipment, this pump is a versatile solution. It works across several engine types, reducing the need for multiple spare parts and simplifying inventory management. This versatility translates into easier maintenance, faster repairs, and more reliable machinery performance. From installation to operation, every aspect of this pump